not a vlogger now, but I just think being overseas right now is a unique enough experience to talk about. So I can talk about it. Hopefully I can be interesting enough for you guys to listen to, watch. Nice. Alright. I think this is more the goes. I had both cameras set up earlier, a little bit more kind of formally. It wigged me out a little bit. Yeah, this talking to camera thing is hard, but actually, hold that thought. There we go. Yeah, I feel like this is too unique of an experience to not talk about. So, as you may know, but if you don't, I'm currently sitting in a hotel room somewhere in Asia. I know where I am. Can't tell you guys yet, but you'll find out. You'll find out soon enough. My room has a chandelier, which is really cool. You can't see it, but you can you? Yeah. So we had a COVID test before we left. The flight to Brisbane, to the international terminal, was packed. It was real weird, but something to do with the border opening to Queensland. And we flew out of Brisbane International Airport on Friday night. Empty. Had 3 seats to myself. They had like everyone it was weird. They only had one small section of the airport actually open. And the rest of the lights were just kind of off. And all the shops were closed. And it was just a very weird experience. So now we're here, 48 hours, not allowed to leave this room. We get meals dropped off 3 times a day. It's not too bad. We can get Uber Eats here is called Grab. Well, it's not Uber Eats. It's the same thing. It's just food delivery. It's called Grab, so we can grab Starbucks. I like it. It's a good adjective. Doing word. Grab it. Yeah, like Uber it. I think so. How's my English? Yeah, Kieran, my Muay Thai coach and boss, is in that room, and then we have Josh, the athlete, fighting for the One Championship strawweight Muay Thai world title on Friday night. He's in another room. So it's the 3 of us here, isolating separately, and then it's a bit of a cool experience. The fact that I get to corner. It's going to be a cage, which is also really cool. I don't think I'll post any of these videos anywhere until after the fact, just to kind of save my ass about maybe spilling the beans on important information. But yeah, so get to corner, fights in a cage, get to take 2 cameras with me as well. So shout out to Leo Kazmarek for the 1DX Mark II hookup. Hold on, touch that there. There you go. And then I've got a manual focus lens on there, so it's not gonna do too nicely. But this is the new Canon R5. It's pretty cool. 8K is a bit laborious, and because that one only shoots 8-bit. I'm only shooting 8-bit on this until we get to the cool stuff. But there'll be some fucking cool stuff coming soon. Yeah, thought maybe just start with an update. Maybe I'll do some planning, talking about how I'm feeling about this, because usually I would ask Kieran and Josh how they're feeling about the event. But I don't know, considering it's just me in a room for another couple of days, it might just be talking to me. I think we'll do a fucking quick room tour. I'll turn that one off. I mean, it's not too much to see. Turn that off. My desk. That was Nescafe instant coffee. It is no longer Nescafe instant coffee because Starbucks. All my stuff's on the ground, which is messy. Nintendo Switch is super clutch. Have a big mirror. It's really nice. The chandelier, as previously mentioned, and it's still so ridiculous. Come through this way into a really moody and luxurious, I might even keep the mood lighting on, moody and luxurious bathroom setup with a fucking huge bath. Yeah. So, let's see if we can open this up. 100 back to, oh. Yeah. So, needless to say, pretty cool experience. I'll show you my view. Actually, even better. Go over here. Where are we? Day curtain, open. Yeah. Open. There we go. Now I'll show you my view. Let's go. A bit dark, give me a sec. Back to 8. Yeah, so not a vlogger now, but I just think being overseas right now is a unique enough experience to talk about. So I can talk about it. Hopefully I can be interesting enough for you guys to listen to, watch. Yeah, the whole YouTube cliche thing, like, how you guys doing? It's your boy, what's going on? Hope you're doing well today. Like, I want to try and avoid that. It's too close. Too hot. There we go. But yeah, we will see. I'm just gonna fucking cut this together and not post it yet. But I'll see you guys. Fuck. I actually listen to way too much YouTube. Yeah. Hopefully I can do something interesting. Yeah, we'll see.